SoFi, crypto champion or cashing out? Ever heard of that feeling? You're scrolling through finance apps, looking for the one that does it all. Stocks, checking, maybe even a dabble in the wild world of crypto. But with so many options, it's hard to know which app is the total package. That's where SoFi comes in. They started as a student loan refinancer, then branched out into investing and even launched a mobile banking app. All-in-one convenience sounds pretty good, right? But what about crypto? Can you store your Bitcoin alongside your checking account with SoFi? Let's dive in and unpack the truth about SoFi and cryptocurrency. SoFi's Cryptocoaster ride. Now, buckle up. SoFi's relationship with crypto has been a bit of a roller coaster. Back in 2019, they were all in, offering members the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seemed like SoFi was on the cutting edge, a one-stop shop for all things finance, traditional and new. But then, things shifted. In late 2022, SoFi announced they were pulling the plug on their crypto services. No more buying Bitcoin, no more Ethereum dreams. For those who already had crypto with SoFi, they had a choice: transfer their holdings to another platform or have them sold off. Why the crypto chill? So, what went wrong? Why did SoFi seemingly abandon the crypto ship? There are a couple of reasons. First, the regulatory landscape surrounding crypto is, well, wild. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle these digital assets. This uncertainty can be scary for financial institutions. Maybe SoFi decided it wasn't worth the risk. Another reason could be SoFi's focus on getting a national bank charter. This allows them to offer a wider range of traditional banking products and services. But there's a catch: some regulators frown upon banks getting involved in crypto. So, to get that coveted charter, SoFi might have had to say goodbye to Bitcoin. SoFi today, crypto ghost town? Does SoFi's crypto exit mean they're totally out of the game? Not exactly. They still have a crypto partner hub where they point you towards other platforms for buying and selling crypto. It's like saying, hey, we can't offer crypto ourselves, but here are some friends who can help. But it's not quite the same as having everything under one roof. SoFi isn't competing in the crypto space anymore, and they're not offering any crypto-specific features like staking or interest accounts. The future of SoFi and crypto. So, what does the future hold? Will SoFi ever return to the crypto fold? It's tough to say. The regulatory environment could change, and SoFi might decide the risk is worth the reward. But for now, crypto investors will have to look elsewhere. So, is SoFi a crypto bank? Not anymore. They used to offer crypto buying and selling, but they've shut down those services. While they do point you towards other crypto platforms, SoFi themselves are no longer in the crypto game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.